Hi, my name's Jordan Dagama. I am the training manager for the RICS based here in Dubai, and we cover training for the Middle East and North Africa. One of the key topics that we keep hearing back from industry, the FM industry, is all about life cycle costing, so the total life cost of an asset. And one thing that we find is increasingly becoming more important is getting FM professionals integrated at the design stage of a project. And by doing that, it means that they can give their input. So when the building is handed over to the FM professional in the afterlife of the property, that those FMs can really operate it to their full capabilities, come across less problems, etc., etc.